Open it up for Rose, Ricky Ross. You know what it is, man. You know the next stop, man. I'm taking it. You know what I'm saying? Let me see you Bobby's and sing. Waka might be on the remix. Rose might be on the remix. I'm going large. This for my man Hot.
I ain't gonna lie to you. You know I don't support none of that ain't bogus. If this shit real, I'm with it. Because legit and humble like me, let's get it. You already know. White collar.
You know what I mean? It's about to be official. Ross gonna be back here. I'm back here. I got VIP stage. Look at the backstage, man. Like, you back here. It's only a couple of years, man.
Well, Harlem to Philly. Remember, man, we getting money. They ain't just where you from, it's where you going. You already know.
I need y'all to make some noise right now for Rick Ross. Straight out of Dade County, Florida, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. If y'all don't know, see, we hosting in the house. Tough Lord on this noise right now. Billy Dick, what's up? What's up? See? What's up? Come on. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, she called dirty, but I'm on clean. You're the Missy Hammer, I'm a pound cream. I got 30 cars, whole lot of gases. I take them everywhere. Hey, I'm Missy Hammer, start setting up. I'm feeling Jesus quick. When it's hammer time, I'm pulling out the stick. I'm at the car now. I'm going pro. Hey, hey, I pray for fire. They're gonna couple more. I take them home. I gotta do my home. I dress them up, I buy them clothes. Come on, hey, I gas up. Now she acting brand new, all you assholes. Hey, limousine, I did that. You know I live that. Hey, my top man, I'm circumcised. I wanna try to do it, just to go inside. She didn't believe, I'm thinking we stop. Feeding in the top of here, I got my big guy. Black Lamborghini, it's on the new Ferrari. It's gonna stick that one button like an Atari. I'm just advising. Hold up. I'm talking rising. Hold up. It's fine something in there like I'm Verizon. My gun dirty. My green clean. Hey, hey. I'm riding dirty. My green clean. Hey, and she talk dirty. Hold up. But I'm out clean. There's a Missy Hammer. I'm about cream. I got 30 cars. Hallelujah! Hey, hey! One nation! Hey, hey! Underdog! Real G's getting money from the money! I think a big beast! Let's go! Get work!
It's the beginning of my takeover. You know what I'm saying? Being serious. Young Mob, Cousin Will, Chase, Snug. I'm gonna get it for us. Liz, man, we have been in the college love. About to take over. Backstage, niggas performing right now. I mean, let me see you pop. Yeah, I got rich. We got some celebration. I'm from the original hood, baby. See how I mean? D.Louie, Philly, I'ma get it for you. Yeah, South Carolina, live, straight up north, nigga. That's what they call me. I hold it down for them. I ain't scared to much, man. My mom always told me I was gonna make it. You know what I'm saying?
No.
Yeah, man.
D.Louie.
My man right here. Yeah, man, y'all the Carson's niggas.
Do my on the bottom.
You single get played today, man. Turn it around.
It's a rock top of the spot.
We in the vid.
It's good, Slums.
We in the vid. Nothing like nothing. Nice. We in the vid. You single getting played today. I'm getting treated like a star. Niggas thought I was lying, but I'm fine.
Yeah, I bet, yo.
I'm in South Carolina.
We pay for anything?
We ain't pay for shit. We got wings, everything. Hey.
Okay.
She love the way I pop. Double D's on that daddy when I roll like pop. Step up in the building, they freeze like stop. Who was him? That shit, and he got free.
Oh shit.
Goonies on deck, goonies inside. Yeah, better for you at this whole dance. System on flag, 20,000 in my pocket, in the flag, in the rocket. The mob, swag, then to the top. If you know you got swag, let me see you pop. Let me see you pop. Let me see you pop. I love the swag. I love it when you pop. I love the swag. I love it when you pop. Let me see 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 you pop. I don't do the stinky leg when my pants fucking drop. Got Versace on eyes. Got that two on my waist. That's the reason why Gucci label is swag. I'm good for the top. Yeah, I'm fresh to the socks. Big O on the watch. I'm shining. Do it all the time. Straight from the jets from the hood. I'm grinding.
D.Louie.
500 to the club.
Yeah.
Up like wings on the sun. Love on the beat. You can hear that thing knock. Them sugar man that we got forever green.
Some of y'all heard it here first.
2-stepping. VHS spot. Niggas in the club. Motivation. Let them watch. Cause I'm getting bread. Cause I'm getting guap. Young my friend. Brick. Fully on rock. She said she let her rock. Cool. In the way we rock. Yeah, she let it feel the swag. Little thing. If you know you got swag, let me see you rock.
Exclusive. Just that exclusive.
Oh, but today we have a special guest, D.Louie in the building, all the way from Philadelphia. He in the hottest radio station right now.
Philly is in the house right now.
Definitely in the building. And if you were at the Rick Ross concert, he did the opening for Rick Ross with "Let Me See You Bop." The song was hard. It was something different. I enjoyed it myself, and I love to see people who go to Benedict College really take charge and really show their talent, showcase their talent.
D.Louie in the building, 90.9 FM. You know what it is, Benedict College. What's up?
That's what's up. So right now, I will present to you the first ever 90.9 radio station.
Let me see you bop. Let's go.
All right.
It was D.Louie with Let Me See You Bop.
Hey.
Philly showing love out here, 90.9 FM. Out here 3 to 5, the livest radio show right now on campus. But I gotta ask my mans right now, what inspired this song? What was going through your head? What was going through your heart to make you, pen this up?
Let me see. I just needed to come up with a nice bouncy club tune, so when they play it in the club, everybody go crazy.
Yeah, you wanted to get a little, little everything.
A little bit of everything.
I feel you. I feel you. So tell us a little bit about this Philly swag.
Philly swag. Philly got their own little swag, you know what I'm saying? Like, if you go down there, you'll probably see it. Like, they just got their own little swag, the way they walk, the way they talk, the way they wear their hats, everything. So.
So you bringing that down south, you know what I mean? You bringing that south, the South boys gonna mess with it.
Single. Oh, Let Me See You Bop. Hot song. We playing that every day. We playing that every day.
It's in rotation.
Monday, Wednesday, Friday. You already know what it is.
Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 3 to
love.
5. 3 to 5.
Live. Mixtape coming out. Go ahead, you do. Give me your next song, your mixtape, dates, because you're going to be one of the hottest artists, because you're one of actually the second artist that come, but you're the first artist that brought a song. So basically, we're going to keep this in rotation. And I'm feeling you, we feeling you. Go ahead, say your shout-outs, give me everything. Go ahead.
Yo, first of all, shout out to all my boys, 380G, Cousin Lil, the whole Young Mob team. Everybody that's not here right now. But Let Me See You Bop, it's a single. We're going to push that. The Underdog coming in October, late October. Be ready for that. And let's go. We just going to try to take this over.
All right. Now, before you go, you got to give us a freestyle.
I said, I'm the goons that these niggas want buried. Trigger happy chickens call me Mike Larry. CDs in that Louis that I carry. And rap my life so the mic I just married. D.Louie, hat, shoes, Louis. Keep my chickens laced in that double G Gucci. Slide in that coochie. Watch like a Coogee. Colorful stones like drugs and make you woozy. Disloyal people, I can't stand them. Rats behind the mic, the booth, you just banned them. Seating to the top, mingling with rich folks. Ever since 13, me and G had big hopes to slide in that tour course phantom and get ghosts on these fleas. I can't stand them. Been tolerating this hate trick for so long. Been blowing on that Mary Jane, I'm so gone. Flow so crazy, flow so sick. I hop on tracks, I ain't gotta write ish. I'm feeling like rich. Better yet, I'll kill you for them bricks. Leave you in that Tahoe.
Hey, D.Louie.